Welcome back to my channel, Living North Idaho, where we discuss everything about real estate in the Coeur d'Alene, Idaho region and living your best life in North Idaho. In this video, I will be going over red flags to look for when viewing a home. When viewing a home, whether you're with a real estate agent or at an open house, there are some things that you can look for ahead of time to see if there's potential issues with the property. Now, you still want to get a home inspection, but if you look for these red flags, it can help you on deciding on what offer you should make. Also, if available, I like to bring a copy of the seller's property disclosure form with me so that my clients can view it while we're looking at homes, because if there's some things on there that they have in question, it's easy to do it while they're viewing the property. Poor maintenance. Signs of neglect, such as peeling paint, broken fixtures, or overgrown landscaping, can indicate a lack of routine maintenance, which might suggest more significant unseen problems. Water damage. Look for stains on ceilings and walls, moldy smells, or recently painted patches, as these can indicate water damage or mold issues. Pay attention to the basement or any area prone to dampness. Foundation issues. Cracks in the foundation, uneven floors, doors that won't close properly, or visible tree roots close to the foundation can signal foundation problems, which can be very costly to repair. Old or faulty roof. Check the condition of the roof. Missing, broken, or aged shingles can lead to leaks. If possible, find out when the roof was last replaced. This is one of those questions on the seller's property disclosure that you can look at. Sometimes sellers say they don't know when it is, but at least you'll have an idea. Poor drainage. Water pooling near the foundation or in the yard can indicate poor drainage, which might lead to water damage and structural issues over time. Bad odors. Be alert to any strong odors, whether they're trying to mask something with fragrances or if there's a persistent smell of mold, pets, or sewage, as these can be difficult to eliminate. Also, pay attention to see if all the windows are open. Maybe they're trying to air out the house. Outdated electrical systems. Flickering lights, exposed wires, or a very old electrical panel can indicate outdated or insufficient electrical systems that might not be safe or meet current standards. Plumbing problems. Check the water pressure by running taps and flushing toilets. Look under the sinks for signs of leaks. Old or corroded pipes can lead to significant issues. DIY renovations. Amateur or DIY renovations can be poorly done and may not meet building codes. Ask about permits for any recent renovations. Noises and neighborhood issues. Visit at different times of the day to get a feel for the noise levels and neighborhood dynamics. Look around for signs of neglect in nearby properties or anything that might affect your living experience. Poor insulation and windows. Feel around windows and doors for drafts. Poor insulation and single pane windows can lead to higher heating and cooling costs. Inadequate ventilation. Look for condensation on windows, peeling paint, or a musty smell, as these can indicate poor ventilation, leading to moisture problems and reduced air quality. Now, those are just some ideas of some red flags that you might be able to see while you're viewing the home. Now, seeing some of these red flags when you're viewing a home doesn't necessarily mean that the home is not sound. It just gives you an idea of some things that may be going on with the property and can help you to decide on what you would like to offer the seller based upon your findings and what you see in the home. Always follow up in the offer that you get a home inspection and have a professional look at any items that you had of concern. They can help address them and let you know if they are of concern or just give you an idea of what is going on with the house. If you have any questions about real estate in the Coeur d'Alene, Idaho area, my name is Amanda Cuthbert. I'm with the Phoenix Agency.